Alright folks, I started painting this. I have some issues with it. I don't know why, but right in here I got some crackling going on right behind the antenna post. And I gotta run in here, but that's because I was in a hurry. Before I apply any more paint to this, I'm gonna have to sand it down really well. Alright, while we're waiting on that, I do have the top. That's done, ready for clear coat. The rear fender is done, ready for clear coat. What I am going to be using is this stuff called 2K clear. There's two parts to it. All right, you got the harness, which is this tab here. You put the cap on it, put it on the ground, and then hit it hard, or push it down hard to get that in. Once it, it goes in, that means the harness is inside. So now you can mix it up. I would shake this for about a good 3-4 minutes, just to make sure you got a good mix in there. Now the thing with this is you have to use it within 24 hours. So if you're going to use a can, make sure you have enough parts that you can use the whole thing, because this stuff is pretty pricey. It goes on really nice, and it's gasoline proof. In other words, if you spill gas on this, once it's cured, it's not going to damage the paint. All right, just to give you an idea, the temperature is about 80 degrees out. Humidity is pretty low actually. Can't even feel it right now, so the air feels nice and dry. Mixed up the 2K. Don't want to say the wrong thing. Anyway, mixed up the 2K and just throw this on there. This stuff is really nice. It does go on nice and smooth. It flows well. It does a great job. Now when you paint spray can, you want to start at the bottom or wherever you pick to start, doesn't matter. But as you move down rows, you want to keep a wet edge. You want to overlap the strokes so you get a wet edge. I don't know how else to say it. Alright, but that's it for about 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and I'll come back. I'll give it a nice second heavy coat. What's nice about these cans, this edge right here, you can actually turn this tip and get the flow the way you want it. Like right now, as you can see, it's nice and wide with the can sitting up, which is perfect for me. If I wanted to, I could just switch this tip, and not switch it, but turn it with a pair of pliers. You just turn it, and it'll give you a different flow pattern out of the can. Anyway, look how nice that looks. Sweet. Yeah, this clear coat is so awesome. Right, this coat's gonna be a little heavier than the first coat, and it should be the last coat. Either way, you want to be careful not to put so much that it starts to run. And that's it, we're done. Looks like glass. Awesome. Alright, that's it for today. Rear fender is complete. With the clear coat, I mean. Looks really nice in the sun. The top came out really nice. I am so surprised it came out that good. And I fixed the pieces in the back on both sides, and I gave it the final coat of green. I gotta let it dry and then flip it over and coat the bottom section of it. And I think that's gonna be it for today. Since I got all these pieces drying up, let everything dry overnight. And like I said, I gotta flip this around, do the bottom of it, and then do the bottom sections that I couldn't get from the top. But I'm very happy with how the side turned out. Give you a close-up of that. That's the side pieces that were cracked and busted and all that. Very happy with that. There's a little bit of minor stuff in here that I could have probably done a better job on, but you know what, I'm good with that. So much better than what it was. Nice repair. The inside, you see the inside, I hope. There you go. All repaired. Alright, that's it for today. I'm gonna sit back, enjoy my coffee, and just let this shit dry. I got a few other things that I need to do, so I got that railing I need to fix. Alright, see y'all later.